Go for it.
Hey, Scott Murray back here. It's Wednesday. I wanted to kind of review again this production of the trowels. We talked about it yesterday, but the video quality was a little bit lax and it got cut off before I wanted it to. And again, this is not self-promotion. This isn't about me. This is about the technology and sharing information with you guys out there about how we manufacture high-quality products. Because it's all about the finisher, as I've said a million times before. So we're going to give you a run through again on how this is made. So again, we start out by pre-cutting these blades. Go ahead. Then we load this cassette. We pick the blade up and move it into position. Once we get it into position, it's held in place, nice and tight, so it's precision every time. It's in the same spot every time. So we come in and individually weld rivets. You'll notice the first two rivets are welded closer together to give you more strength at the leading edge of the tang. Every rivet riveted exactly the same because you want that height. We will index this over and eventually we're going to have our laser logo here, but again on the same line, but that's independent right now. You see the rivets in the bottom? Again, every one of these rivets, it's got a little spot on the bottom, which is basically your weld point, that little tip there. When you run the voltage down through there, that's what actually welds it to the blade. So again, every one of these has to be exactly the same whenever we're putting those on the individual trowel blades. Again, folks, we're just trying to share information with everybody about how we manufacture these trowels, how we try to get consistent quality every single time so you've got the tools to do your job. It's all about finisher first. Check us out, level5tools.com.